Hi guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're not familiar with my video types, I typically like to do some vlogs, and today I want to do a little summer vlog diary. And I really want to go to Stinson Beach. I want to go to the gym if I have time or if I'm not tired, and I want to do a cute little like shopping little run so that we can eat something while we're at the beach and tanning and just doing girly stuff. Alright, so this is the beach bag I got. I got it from Target. My boyfriend got it for me, and it's perfect for the beach because, you know, easy to clean. So I'm going to be taking my setting tan oil, my sunscreen, a speaker, my towel, and my water bottle. And I think that's about it, honestly. And I already packed up the car. I already put my beach. Oh, I forgot my beach pillows for my head. I already packed my chairs, the beach blanket, and we're gonna go get the food. And these are my backup clothing I wear for the ride back, so I have something nice and warm to wear. Yeah, that's about it. So get going. Granolas, pretzels, mangoes, fruit, and I got myself a salad, and she got herself. And we got a big thing of water, and we're just gonna check out really quick and make our way over to the beach. Alright guys, so we just made it to Stinson Beach. I'm with my sister. Hi. And it's a little bit chilly right now, but it's gonna warm up. It's gonna warm up soon. We brought the wagon, we got all of the essentials, and we're just gonna vibe and have a chill time. Right? Yep.